I'm going to show you how to fertilize. So here I have a fertilizer and just a few crops that I'll be showing you how to fertilize. So here we have beets, which is 6 weeks old. This one I'm going to show you. Beet is a cold season crop which are cold conditions, and it bolts in spring. Its optimum temperature is 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. And it's a good source of carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins and minerals. It has antioxidants which helps remove free radicals in the body of it. It also improves the digestive system. So there are many benefits of beets. So how do you fertilize it? So here I have a spoon, as you can see. I've dug around, not too close, not too close. Dug around. I'm just softening the molded soil that has been molded due to irrigation and sun. So I'm not quite cleaning, just showing you how to do it. So here I have a full spoon, so I'll just pour here all the way. Then when I'm done, this needs much water because it has to dissolve, then deliver the nutrients down to the roots. Remember, do not dig too close, as that can eat your plant alive, because many fertilizers are acidic, so which means acid can burn your roots, resulting in death of your plant. So here we have the cabbage, and it's 8 weeks old, in which, or from the start, from the day I planted them, they were about 4 weeks, 2 weeks old, and after that, I transplanted them to the soil, in which they are now 8 weeks old. I'll be showing you also how to fertilize them. You dig around it because a cabbage requires a lot of space to grow well, and it has lots of benefits, like a good source. It's a good source of vitamin A and C, fiber, folate, and more, and it grows well in most climatic conditions like cold, warm, cool. Uh, its optimum temperature for good growth is 15 to 18 degrees Celsius, and it can withstand as low as -3 degrees Celsius. Its benefits: it helps control diabetes. So let's get on to it. So as you can see that I've dug around it like this, put some soil back up, take 1 spoon of fertilizer, spread it around, spread it around, then cover it with the soil that is close to it. And make sure that you give it enough water so that all the fertilizer will dissolve, then will be supplied to the root system so that the plant will get its nutrition. So we are done with the cabbage. Just one. See how many we have. Cabbage type glory, and we've got even a mature one, this type, the ones that I've been busy with. In a couple of months ago, I grew these from seeds in a bed over there and over there. As you can see over here, this one is a mature one like this one, and a few of these. See these were actually seeds that I transplanted from. So these are mature enough to be transplanted. So here I take 1 spoon of fertilizer, spread it around, then mix it well with the soil. And today it's raining, so which is a good thing because this fertilizer would get more water so as to dissolve more and deliver more nutrients into the root system of the plant. I don't mind the rain because it's what I love. Remember, water all around. This is a type of chlorine. I'll show you type. This one. It's a drum head. All of these are drum heads, all the way to there. So I've fertilized most of them, and today I was hoping I would finish what I started so as to have more products. We're going to take a few centimeters away from it. A few centimeters away from it. Then 1 spoon again. 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Cover it so that you can then make sure you water it well. So we are done with the Swiss chart. Now it's time for sweet potato. Here we have a Swiss chart. So commonly known as a spinach. So when it comes to a Swiss chard, it likes cold places. It likes to grow in cold places in an optimum temperature between 7 and 24 degrees Celsius. It's a good source of magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin A, and fiber. And it is a good plant to intercrop with beets, as you can see it there, over there, and over there, as you can see it over there. That's it. That's beets. This is Swiss. So let's get on to it. before fertilizing this one, I would like to remove all the weeds beneath it so that we cannot find a chance. Instead of is a very good plant, which is a good source of carbohydrates and vitamin C, and it prefers hot or just warm temperature or climate in order to grow properly. It grows, or it prefers 21 up to 29 degrees Celsius, and it requires hot days and warm nights to grow properly. So its health benefits, it regulates, helps in the regulation of body functioning. So to cut short, is what we supposed to do when we fertilize. See to well with the soil. Every 2 weeks we transplanted these as just a few crops, wanting to see how would they do. So I pulled some grass below it so that they cannot be excessive dehydration. Tomatoes is a very beneficial plant which you should always have in your garden. So today I'll be showing you how to fertilize it. Dig around it. Dig around it. 1 spoon of fertilizer, and pour. Then add water so that the fertilizer can dissolve into nutrients that will be sucked by the roots of the plant, so that it will grow big and produce. We will come to pruning in the next episode, and pruning and spraying of tomato plants.